Yeah, sir.
You probably could do.
Or I'll do to get your life on the line.
You wouldn't mind if
Hey! Move along. Being a mobile. Oh.
Let's do it, boys.
What's up? Let's just say that's right now.
Well, Eric, I think you were just focusing in on the...
Back to Colorado.
There, where the hell is Stan? Nice.
Hey,
Second, we're just waiting on one.
what's wrong with me to try and stop you from joining a boy band?
Yeah.
I don't know, have you been in a boy band?
It's the other stuff.
It's nothing.
Well, let's fly.
Damn it, people are walking away.
I'll make way for the sausage and cheese.
Yep, that was a good one, God. What's that? And so the real fast members of the... Dude, you're pretty down to perform. We don't, Carmen. Oh, yes, we do. Thank you all for your... And now get ready. I'm gonna fit them into the light. Girl, you like fight. I'll just figure every night.
This is final.